Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a beat using only a keyboard. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a keyboard, and I'm going to show you how to make a beat using just this right here. Alright, so first and foremost, you have to figure out what are the different sounds of the keyboard. Now essentially, on this keyboard, these are the different sounds that you can make, and on your keyboard, it's probably going to be very similar. So you can probably take these sounds and sort of replicate them on your own keyboard. You're going to get a sound by sort of tapping the keyboard or hitting the keyboard itself. Okay? You're going to get a sound from the enter or the return button, a different sound from the space bar, and a different sound from the keys. All right, now essentially what we're going to do is we're going to start with a beat, a very simple beat like this. And then we're going to add in a little variation. And then we're going to do the same variation, but we're going to add in some keys after as almost like an in-between. And literally you can just take the keys and you can just make whatever sounds you want on those keys and turn it into a beat. So there are different sounds you can make. Like I said, even over here, a little bit of a lighter sound. Same sound actually. So you can take whatever sounds your keyboard makes and turn it into a beat. So we had the sort of tapping sound, the enter sound, the space bar, and then the keys. And you can just create a beat just like I did. And yeah, you can do with that beat what you want. You can turn it into like a much more intense beat or keep it like a simple beat like I did. It's up to you. You want to waste some time, you want to get some entertainment, it's a great method. And for whatever reason you want, for whatever your reasoning is for making a beat out of a keyboard, it's totally fine. Whatever whatever your reasoning is for turning your keyboard into this beat making machine is totally fine. But I just wanted to show you how to do it. You can have whatever reasoning you want to actually do this, but I wanted to show you in this tutorial how to do it and how to get those different sounds and how to turn them into a beat. But yeah, that's essentially it. If you want to make a beat using only a keyboard, this has been a simple tutorial for you. And I truly have nothing else to say for this video other than the fact that I hope that you enjoyed it, you found it educational as well as entertaining at the same time. And yeah, that's basically it. With nothing else to say for this video, we are officially going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.